Hello, Alex. Can I join you?
Oh, okay.
Is it really okay?
Yeah.
Why are you alone here?
I just want to freshen up. You know, we're very busy.
Okay. So, where are the others?
Sam is on her work and Jake is also missing. And Kim called a while ago. She said she's also busy. That's why I'm all alone.
Oh,
You?
okay. I just dropped by. I saw you.
Ah.
And I'm thinking, why are you alone? That's why I come here.
Actually, since you're the only person that I can talk to,
Yes. What is it?
something's bothering me.
Bothering you?
Yes. It's just that there is this unknown number that keeps on texting and calling me and actually knows my name.
Someone's bothering you?
Yeah. At first, I thought it was a prank.
And then?
But then, even in my emails, that person is still hunting me.
Anyway, don't worry about it. Drink your coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good thing you're here. Because my friends, they're all busy and I cannot contact any of them.
Good for you. Anyway, if you have a problem, just call me. I'll give you my number.
Okay, just save your number here. Thank you, Cleo, for your time.
You're welcome.
Good thing you dropped by here. This is our favorite place since high school.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm not used to drink coffee alone, but I just did today.
Oh, because for me, I love to drink even I'm alone.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think I cannot handle that because I got used drinking coffee here with my friends.
Oh, sorry for that.
Yeah. But it's okay. You're still here.
Okay, I have to go.
Ah, where are you going?
I need to go somewhere because I have to meet my friend.
Ah, okay.
You know.
I'll just finish my coffee.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
You too.